Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have a Nissan Maxima with a slot. That means this work is going to, you're gonna apply it for all key with the slot. All the proximity that have a slot, you can use this. Okay, now we have the car here, and then I will click this on the right side, that for the key, and it is a Nissan and Chrysler software. Maybe sometime they are together. We have one is working, one doesn't work, so we try to reprogram them again. Ahmed, yeah. Why you take it out?
What happened here?
No, so why you take it out?
What happened here? 1 second, hold on.
Okay, now it will start you. And as you know, we have a slot here. So all what you need to do is just do add a key, because it's only one key there. If you notice it, say okay, it will tell you to, it will erase all the key, remove okay, turn the ignition off. You must turn the ignition off. Turn the hazard on. Open, close driver door. So okay. Insert this marker into the slot and turn the ignition on. I'm gonna put this one here. Turn the key on. You're gonna wait. There is no security light on, nothing there. Just say okay. Now it will calculate, and maybe it will tell you programming success. You see, remove the smart key from the slot. Instrument will automatically turn off. You see here, push it in, take it out, say okay, insert the key to be programmed, turn the key on. So put the key inside. When you turn the key on, it will flash 5 times. Look there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That light here. Okay, and let's say yes. You want to program another one? Say yes. Take this one out. Now we are in programming mode. I'm going to put this one. It was working before. Put it in there. Put the key on. Put the inside, turn the ignition on. Now I put the other one. You follow the step, please. Anytime you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say okay. No. You turn it on, you take it out, it will go off. Put back again the first one. Turn the key on. Nothing there. Look, there gonna be any message. There is no message. Remove it. Say okay. Layer complete. Say okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. See now. Everything look okay. And this is Nissan Maxima. This 2009 Nissan Maxima. Everything is good. Stay with us. I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.